If you are encountering a black screen while trying to watch videos on YouTube, then there are several potential causes and solutions to consider. Firstly, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve the issue. After that, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can lead to videos not loading properly, and make sure your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed for streaming. Now, try restarting your computer. I'm using Mac right now, so simply tap on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Then from the drop-down menu, simply tap on the restart and restart your Mac. If you are using Windows, then simply tap on the Windows and tap on the restart option available there and restart your Windows. Now, once you restart your device, all you have to do is open it after a few seconds, and this time tap on the three dot option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now from the drop down menu, look for the settings option available there. Simply tap on the settings and navigate to the settings section. Then tap on the privacy and security option available in the left panel. Inside privacy and security, tap on delete browsing data. Then all you have to do is clear the browsing data with cache and cookies. Now choose the time of when you want to delete cache and cookies off and delete the data. But if you want to keep the range longer, then simply tap on the time. Then again tap on the clear data and clear the cache and cookies out of the browser. Now try to open the YouTube again. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.